This presentation shows how to execute a payment that transfers funds from one account to another. To begin, I select the connection I intend to use for the payment transfer. I open connection accounts and add 2 accounts that will participate in the order operation. Test account 1 is ready, is hosted on the bank, and will be used as the creditor for the order operation. Test account 2 is ready, is not hosted on the bank, and will be used as the debtor for the order operation. We can review the account details before proceeding with the payment. Next, navigate to Storage, then to Payment Document. Select Credit Transfer and click Next. Select Creditor and click Next. Select Debtor and click Next. Fill in the amount and description fields, then click Preview to continue. At this step, we can review the payment details. Now select the format allowed by the bank and click Generate Payment. To upload to the bank, click Execute in the notification block. This will redirect you to the bank operation form. You can preview the document before uploading, then click Execute on the form to complete the upload.